of the islands is a specific spots where luckily the water, the wind had accumulated it over. So this is one of the places where the marine turtles are nesting. And as I told you, this is the breeding season at this moment. So there are many nests that are active right now. So they probably came during the night, deposit the eggs, dig the hole, deposit the eggs, cover it with the sand, and then the female leaves. It takes her hours to do this job. And after she's done, she's done. She just leaves. She
her job's done.
Parental care. So she actually leaves, and the babies will have to survive by themselves, by their natural instinct. They look for the water. The light of the moon is going to be shine in the water, so they are attracted to the light from the moon, and that's how they manage to go into the water. distract them or could attract the baby turtles. So this is one of the places we are not allowed to anchor here at night. Because of that, and in other several different locations in the northern part of Santa Cruz, for example, there's a few beaches in the northern part where it is restricted as well.
How did the turtles know not to start digging because there's other eggs there? Because there must be, 20 or 30 nests along this beach, or clutches along this beach.
Yes, that's right. Well, I guess sometimes they could interfere with somebody else's nest, but they have a way to know where they were born. So wherever they were born, in the same location, they will dig a nest.
Oh, wow.
At hole to lay the eggs.
That's amazing.
If the place is taken, or if the place is not good enough, they will look for another location. Sometimes the sand will retreat, will leave. Maybe there's a tsunami, maybe there's really bad conditions that leaves the beach with not enough sand, so they will definitely look for another place. So what they basically do is come on land at night and dig the hole. Sometimes it's not the first one that they will choose, the first area. They will go and sometimes look in another place nearby in the beach. So if that's not the case, then they will go to another beach, and if it's still not good, they will go to another island. Very nice. So here we go.
Right.
Yeah.
Inside as well, it's not just a shell. This is their area. They look so cute and all, but they are these plants are there. Spiny bush. Yeah.
Oh, it's a hermit crab.
Yeah.
It's a hermit crab.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. I've never seen
Haven't you?
Not in real life, no.
We used to play Grand National with them in Kenya.
I used to do that with slugs, so I kind of relate to that.
This looks like a poison apple tree or whatever it's called. Poisonous apple tree.
Oh, he's older now. Really young. Yeah, that sounds quite intense. Cairo, I think it's called, with a K. Yeah. Spelled like Cairo, just with a K, like with an A on it. It looks like a stick. Stay still. Thank you.
Oh wow.
He's big.
So here's a big guy. Remember, we have here a species of
I squeeze through.
dome-shaped tortoise in this area, which means that he is adapted to the highlands, not to the lowlands. This one is exploring this area, but there are more. There's a more dense population in the upper part of the volcano.
Wow.
They are very abundant in the upper part. So he is just walking around, getting familiar with the area. When there is more rain, more water available, more vegetation, on the island, they will disperse more. They will go farther distances. But sometimes they come, females will come down for nesting. They nest in this area and then they will go back up. Babies, for example, takes them a few years to go all the way up.
Do these babies stay with the mother?
No, the reptiles don't take care of their offsprings, their babies. She deposits the eggs and she goes back on to the higher land. But the babies will gradually make it to the higher part. So in the beginning, the first few years, from 1 to up to 5 years, they don't need as much vegetation, as much food as they will require later on. So it's fine, it's perfectly fine to survive here in this area, in the lowlands. But then they will start to make their way up to the volcano, where the other friends, the family, and the mom is. Maybe they will find her, maybe not. They do gather in big groups, but not necessarily because they are related or family, but because of the availability of food and water. So there are places, there are some areas where they can find some freshwater ponds, and they love to frequent those. It's like going to a spa. They love to be in the mud and in the water for many hours. Sometimes they even sleep in those water ponds.
Nice.
And we can see the skin, the legs, also the nails of the tortoise, right? So, and of course the carapace is huge. So reptiles, as I told you, they have a keratin layer for a long time.
And I'm not going anywhere fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So let's go single file. Single file, try not to make a lot of noise when we walk by him. And come slowly, be careful. We're gonna go up here in these rocks because I don't think he's moving. He's not going anywhere, so we gotta go right next to him.
Is it because they're competitive or is it?
Yeah, that was the land one.
I'm getting confused between my girls.
That was land because when they made this one quantum.
Yeah.
But I thought it was the underbelly. Yeah. Because they need to.
I'm gonna take a picture of me.
Someone was saying to me today, haven't you seen any tortoises yet?
Oh, yeah. That's a good one for the first one.
So have a look at this tree right here. This one with yellow flowers. This is the muyuyo, or the yellow cardia tree. Let's wait a little bit so I'll explain to everybody about this tree. Which is it, the yellow? Yellow cardia. Yellow cardia tree. It's native.
You can see the difference in the ages. You can tell us how old this one is. Like maybe like a 19-year-old.
Yeah, it's a young one. Clearly, right? Yeah. That's really nice, very neat. You can see the rings on it. Well, it's really young for the tortoise. Probably is between 5 years, 10 years, or well, bigger than 5 years though. No bigger. The ones at the Tortoise Darwin Research Station now.
Tortoise watch.
Yeah. Oh God.
That was really well spotted, that.
I like how we can now like tell the difference. I never knew that about this, so it was pretty true.
What we're looking at.
Oh, it's another crab, hermit crab. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
The black part, that is what's covered, the carapace. So it's very thick and strong. So it's made with the keratin layer, this part. You see?
Did they shed this?
Really strong. Same thing that makes your nails, your hair, feathers in the case of the birds are made of keratin. Scales in the fish are also made of keratin.
It looks like he had a long life.
So this is a bony structure. Yeah, you see?
Oh, right.
This is where the spine is.
So it's
Oh, wow.
attached to the...
Attached to the carb. That's the frontal part, the front part of the tortoise.
Wish you had his shell now, wouldn't you?
You can see where he's dragged himself in.
Yeah. Yeah, he came in like that.
Yeah.
You can sort of see.
Yeah.
Is it the same one as before?
No, I don't think so.
I'm sure that is. Sorry.
I think he's quite ill. He's standing here at you and you just sort of...
He's pricked a little bit.
That looks like it's burnt. Oh, he's moving.
Shut down.
I love his head. He's just like, peering at us.
Anywho. We're moving.
4 minutes to be happening.
Is it a male or a female? Can we tell?
Oh, it's a male.
It's a male.
It's a male. Boy. A tail? Yeah. A tail. It's like that, yeah. Everybody had some good meal?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's collaborator.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you for doing the.
Yeah. You know, it worked, right? It worked.
Don't look him in the eye. They don't worry too much.
Left or right?
Put that post there.
Because his eyesight might not be too good at that age.
Yeah.
What are you looking at, he says?
Thank you so much, Mr. Tortoise.
It's like he's just about his batteries running out. Poor chap.
Going to the mud. Cool.
It's rare that you see large ones like this down here walking.
Oh, walking, yes, it's not so common. Like to see them, yes, but being active is nice. It's really nice. And we saw him like for a long time. It was like, my video is like 4 minutes or 5 minutes long.
Oh dear, he's getting down.
Oh, what happened?
He's just resting, I think. He's just had enough. He seems to be quite old, or he's turning off.
Oh, he didn't like it. He changed his mind. He's going back. Where are you going?
Just coming to have a look at us. Oh dear. It's gone to sleep now. Duracell batteries run out. Do you censor them? Do you how do you tag them, or do you just let them? You don't record them, put tags on them.
Oh, how do you track them? Oh, they put something in the carapace, a tracking device
Right.
attached to the carapace,
Right. Okay.
to the front part of the carapace. And that way they know like where they go.
Yeah.
So they have like a specific routes where they go, like in Santa Cruz Island, like there are specific areas where they're always moving up and down.
Amazing.
Yeah. They're so huge. It's in here.
Oh, he's eating now, I think.
Oh, maybe that's why he was stopping. Maybe he saw a tasty green. They eat leaves, right? Or
Oh yes,
just,
the vegetation.
Yeah.
Yes.
Any leaves, or is there?
Oh well, in this area I don't see any prickly pear cactus, but that's like their favorite. Prickly pears. And the path or the fruits is full of water and nutrients.
Okay.
But then if it's not available, then they will go for the kind of vegetation.
And they're not tracked.
And even the poison bush tree fruit.
If they track them, do they know what the oldest one would be?
Well, we haven't we started tracking like a few years ago only.
Yeah.
So we started working, the Charles Darwin Research Station started in the 60s only,
Yeah.
1960s.
Okay.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Clean a little bit more yes, clean the side from the fruit, clean the side.
If there's a big wind, you go fly.
Come on, guys.
Get ready.
Yeah.
Why did they go fly? Let's fly.
horse is bad. I always think they don't usually go. It's like I was filming yeah, Carla was excited too. Oh, y'all must be good luck. That's the one thing I wanted. We saw three.
Oh, I'll get me water. Is that mine?
That's her.
Oh. Is that mine?
Yeah,
Cheers, thank you.
An exciting outing again, wasn't it?
No. Why do I always fall off?